Understanding Drip Irrigation, a simple guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of drip irrigation. This method of irrigation is not only fascinating but also extremely important in agriculture. So, let's dive in and understand what drip irrigation really means. Drip irrigation is a highly efficient way to water plants. In this method, water is delivered directly to the roots of plants through a system of tubes, valves, and emitters. Unlike traditional methods, it minimizes water wastage and ensures that each plant gets just the right amount of water. This method is especially beneficial in areas where water is scarce. A drip irrigation system consists of several key components. 1. Water source. This is where the water for irrigation comes from. 2. Pump unit. It's used to control the water pressure. 3. Distribution lines. These are tubes that carry water to the plants. 4. Drip emitters. These devices control the amount of water that drips out to the plants. There are many benefits to using drip irrigation. Saves water. It uses less water compared to traditional methods. Reduces weed growth. Water goes directly to the plant roots, limiting weed growth. Saves time. It's automated, so less manual labor is needed. Improves plant growth. Plants receive water and nutrients more efficiently. Drip irrigation is used in various settings. Agricultural fields, to grow crops with minimal water use. Home gardens, for efficient watering of garden plants. Greenhouses, to provide a controlled water supply to plants. That's all about drip irrigation. It's a fantastic way to save water and nurture plants efficiently. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand this important agricultural technique. Stay tuned for more insightful videos.